There can't be two Alpha Titans.
Who bows to who?
Kong bows to no one.
The world needs Kong.
There's something provoking into war.
All right, guys, what is going on? Today's video, we are taking the truck to Steve's house, and Steve is going to be taking the trans out the truck, and we're going to be driving it up to Pure Drivetrain Solutions. Maybe this week, maybe next weekend. I don't know. Whenever I get time, hopefully within a week, and we can get that built as soon as possible, guys. So, truck's ready to go. I mean, not really anything ready. I do have a pallet for the trans. This I actually got from when I broke the trans. They gave me a pallet that fits my trans perfectly. So it'll be a little bit easier because my wife will be picking me up in the Durango. We're going to throw that in the Durango, and I'll have to drive the Durango up to New York, obviously, because this will be at Steve's house with no trans in it. So, all right, guys, I'll see you back when we get to Steve's. Claire. All right. Truck's jacked up.
Yeah. I'm old. Need a break.
Getting old, needs a break. Same man. Getting old, tight spaces, you know what I mean? I'm getting it. He's getting it. All right, guys. We got the truck jacked up. Let's see. We got about a couple feet off the ground here. And Steve's just going in to get some things, and he'll start on bolting. Hell yeah. Steve's under there getting the transfer case. Are you lowering the transfer case with the trans?
Nope, separate.
Separate? Okay. He's already got, as you can see, drive shafts off. He's dropping them separate because the transfer case is staying here, obviously. We'll take the trans and get it going in there.
Getting there.
Getting it there, yep. I'm guessing getting the transfer case ready, huh?
Yeah, I gotta lower the trans down a little bit and
Okay.
also get the top transfer case bolts off or nuts.
Gotcha.
So after I get done fighting with that,
Okay.
because of course you need more sling than the half-inch that you got up there.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
And nothing fits.
Yep.
Absolutely nothing fits. I know we're gonna pop the wood because we don't want to crush the pan.
All right, transfer case ready to get out. What's that thing, Steve?
Transfer case.
I remember when I uninstalled it that one time. I did do the same thing. Put it on my body, you know what I mean? Yep. Well, guys, transfer case is out.
Oh, fuck me. I'm getting too old for this shit.
You all right?
Yeah. Put that in there.
Yeah, I'm just gonna work on getting the trans out. Video. How are we looking?
It's looking.
It's looking, huh? Just looking.
Yeah.
We're getting there, fellas. We're getting there. All right, guys. Steve's just unbolting some bolts. What do you got going on, Steve? Bell housing bolts. That's it, right? For the bolts. And then trans is ready to come out. Took a little longer because he had to grind off. They had my Y pipe welded, who did my exhaust for me when they had to fix some things. So he had to grind it off. Took a minute. Still not too bad. Whole thing is done in a couple of hours. I'll get back when he's ready to drop the trans, guys. Right. Oh, yeah.
Definitely.
Oh, we're definitely free. I see a trans.
Oh yeah. On the ground.
If you need me to help you anyway, let me know, alright?
Yeah, I'll let you know. Off, which is good. Because it wasn't going to fucking fit anyway.
Comes. Well, guys, trans is out. Now for the fun part.
Go pull a torque converter.
It's going to pull torque converter, like you said. We're going to load it into... Put a skid in the back, guys. Let me see that. Got that skid there. After he's done doing this, put on the skid, load it in wifey's Durango. Kelly's Durango's been like the pick my stuff up with vehicle.
Yeah.
I've been to pick the engine up with her. Oh, yeah.
Get that up in there first. The trans isn't that heavy. I picked it up to put it on here.
All right.
I thought about carrying it out, then I realized I'm old.
I don't think it matters which way. No, yeah, let's...
It might be. Alright, come on. Did you get one side? I got let go. You're old too, I don't want to hear. Perfect. Leave it like that. Keeps them from leaking.
Oh, on that angle, yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. We got the trans loaded up, ready to go. Sending it off to Pure. Hopefully, we'll get it there within a week. All right.
Smash!